crazy when he fights. I'm silent, won't make a sound when I hand it in. Oh no, don't frown. Cigars, I break them down. This stuff with funky herb, oh so superb. Smoking on the ganja and I'm flying over earth. Don't test my word, it's gone. I might explode, time bomb. A heavy load I bear can never fold or fall. Like a spiritual staircase and up the block floors. Call me in that case when I speak, but don't ignore. I'm born as a dog's mouth, dirty like a whore. Catching these spirits like Kodak, call me Thor. Nailing to the bed, fire up, she give me head. People walk around alive, but spiritually dead. Monsters and demons and monsters under my bed. This flow is sick and poisonous, just like some lead. These cigarettes killing me, then I cough and wheeze. I try to breathe, feels like the entire world is on me. But I can never drop it, gotta love the process. Do or die, live in the moment, and now I conquer. I put pen to paper, mask on like Darth Vader. A thief in the night, but smoking weed is my major. Got a master's degree in fuckery, hate the game. Motherfucker, not me, you must be lonely and obnoxious. Man, I'm higher than cockpits. Get like this, have to change thought process. Hate me, can't help it. I know, man, don't stress it, I'm floating. My necklace is golden, these hoes just holding my nuts, smoking hoes and Trojans. Not rushing the climax, keep it at bay, no running, bitch. I chase cat like a dog. Young man figuring out life and all. The sun shines, but in moonlight I find peace. And when I'm drained, I feel the earth beneath my feet. Smoke some, juggle the problems, and one. Remember the times I ain't have shit and it was no fun. But that shit made me see the hell on earth. Torching with this work, free smoke, a half in a pack of woods. Facts I speak, but more than likely I'm just misunderstood. Feel as though I'm on Saturn, 4 grams in a Russia. Dying to live regardless of repercussions. Get on the mic and spill my mind, something straight disgusting. Living like a king in my mind. Reality is so bright. My future, in fact, I'm sparking dreams through the night. While sparking blunts, I shine my light. Express myself when I write. Releasing demons and winning fights.
Dying to live, dying to live, dying to live, dying to live, dying.